Hey, what's up guys? It's time again for another video from Safford and Cypress channel. So today we have I believe this is the Yuxisaurus from Rebirth. This is obviously a custom paint now. I painted this like a couple of months ago. And this is the Gastonia from Epic Evolution, I think. So yeah, I custom painted as well. Give it some bluish, some grayish, make it look dirty again. So there you have it. Still works, I believe. Yeah, it still works. There, but not all the way anymore. It doesn't. The spikes don't go back anymore when you push the button. Yeah, it's a strike attack, and this is a frenzy pack. Does it have? Oh, it's also a strike attack, I believe. Yeah, it was the Edmontonia. That's a frenzy. So there's a DNA scan. So there's completely all varnish, same as this. So the reason I brought these two out because of the SCELIDOSAURUS from Jurassic World Survival's Frenzy Pack. So we're gonna check it out and review this thing. Obviously we don't have any of these yet. Deinonychus, I'm gonna have 3 of these. I'm gonna get and 2 more. I don't know why the Velociraptor is in it. It's kind of weird. Ramphorhynchus will get 1. Then the Pachycephalosaurus. So let's open it, check it out. Alright guys, there. Let's put it in the back. So I've never heard of this SCELIDOSAURUS before. It is new to me. However, when I look it up, it was founded in England, and it was this. It existed 193 million years ago, it says. So it has a weird hump or bump on its back, spiky. It's probably a member of the Ankylosaurid family. There's a DNA scan. It has a little beak in it, spiky back. So let's compare to the Yuxisaurus. Okay, that's pretty much almost the same size. Yeah, and the Gastonia. Also, there's gonna be a new Gastonias coming soon from Dino Reveal. So there's gonna be like, I would say 3 coming. A rare, super rare, and a regular common, something like that. So there we go. So it only goes up and down. Yeah. Has some spikes on its front legs and its hind legs. Yeah, I'm gonna get definitely 2 more to do a touch up and a repaint, like this one's right here. It's back. So it also has spikes underneath its tail, and then you have the serial number on its back. What year was this created? I'm gonna check it out. Can't see, it's too dark. Okay, it's new. 2026, definitely new species from Mattel. The scales on its head's really cool. Looks like realistic. So yeah, nothing much. Nothing. It's a frenzy pack. So what do you expect? There's no features in it, you know, no buttons. So yeah, there you have it for today, guys. So enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, guys, or subscribe. And like say thank you again. Thank you so much, and you guys have a good one. Thank you again. Bye.